Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the shows from continue watching section on Apple TV in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Apple TV application on your device. Afterwards, on the home screen itself, you are going to see the continue watching on Apple TV. So here you can just simply also go to the watch now tab and you are going to see the continue watching section with all of your recently watched shows and movies. So you need to basically first of all select the show which you want to remove. So press and hold the selection button on your remote until the menu appears. Now from the menu, you just have to simply look for the option of remove from watch list. Now this content will disappear from the list instantly as soon as you press this particular button. Now if you are using an iPhone or iPad, you can open Apple TV app, then go to watch now, find the continue watching, then again press and hold on it and then tap on the option of remove. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.